Tolt affiliate review. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Tolt affiliate. And to create an account on Tolt.io, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tolt, it is an affiliate marketing platform tailored for SAS startup designed to streamline the management of affiliate programs, in which it features branded affiliate portal allowing businesses to customize the interface with their logos and colors, creating a professional appearance for affiliates. And Tolt supports both percentage-based and fixed commissions. Although customizable commission structures are not available on a starter plan, the platform integrates seamlessly with major payment processor like Stripe, Paddle, and Chargebee, facilitating efficient transaction management. So now to create an account on Tolt, you could also click the link in the description, or you could also start your free trial button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page where you could also enter here your business email address. Then you also need to verify using the code that has been sent to your email address. And after that, from here, just simply fill out all of the required information, including your first name, last name, your company or your product name, email address, and website URL in here. And after that, you will be directed on this dashboard or homepage of Tolt.io. And from here, it will show you that you can start your affiliate by clicking this Get Started button. But before that, you could also navigate also on the left side panel some of the options, including the home, affiliates, referred users, and affiliate program in here. But in order to get started, just click the Get Started button right here. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you how you could also start being part of their affiliate program is by simply filling out all of the required information in here. And as you can see, it has a 3-section web here: create affiliate program, design affiliate page, and after that, disconnect your Stripe account or your Paddle account in here, since it is necessary in order to also navigate on the left side panel some of the options such as these affiliates, these referred users. All of those options on the left side panel, it is also required for you to fill out all of this required information to get started as an affiliate on Tolt.io. Now, as you can see in here, you could also navigate the currency or the reward, the percentage commission rate that you prefer. You could also add a promotion code. For instance, I'm going to enter here Google 10, which offer a 10% commission code or promotion in here. Now, moving on the top panel, you could also navigate to change or customize the program name subdomain in here, and even choose your preferred currency at this page. But let's say you're not done filling out all of the required information or section in here, just click the continue button on the top right corner to proceed under this section or design affiliate a page, wherein from here you can start designing your own page or affiliate page, starting from its dashboard section, referrals, payouts, settings, and many more, and even change the background color, text, and even change the layout of it. So you can simply change it in this page in here. And as you can see in here, you could also upload your own logo if you want to. But if you are now done, just click the continue button on the top right corner to be proceed to the next step, which is disconnecting your Stripe or Paddle account. So from here, in order to start connecting your Stripe, you could also click disconnect with Stripe button, or by choosing the Paddle, you could simply copy or follow the step in here, including some of the code or algorithms. You can start beginning or integrating the process of authenticating your account with Tolt interface in here. You could also do the same process on Chargebee if you want to. Now, moving on to this Stripe, you would also choose either default or Google Tag Manager. And also below here, it will show you the tracking script, in which this following script, you could also put it into the head tag of your website HTML. And aside from that, below you could also see the code to send referral ID to your Stripe. And after that, you can now start testing your integration. Moving on the left side panel, you can navigate this referred users, affiliates, program settings. However, as I said earlier, in order to navigate all of those options on the left side panel, you also need to start being an affiliate, or by filling out all of the required information in here. And aside from that, if you also want to create a new program, just click this button right here and click create new program. And then on this pop-up window, just fill out all of the required information, including the program name, subdomain, the percentage, or fixed reward type if you want to. But moving on in terms of the plan that this Tolt.io offer, In order to use this platform, you could also see it in here, that they offer a starter, growth, and pro plan with its corresponding prices and list of benefits included on each plan below here. But again, in order to start connecting your Stripe account to Tolt.io, from here you could also go back to this page and click Connect with Stripe button, aside from integrating using this code below here. By clicking this button, we'll automatically be directed on this page where we can start logging in or inputting here our email address that we use in Stripe account, and click the submit button in order to connect the Stripe to our Tolt.io. And after that, we will be able to be part of their affiliate program. But that just also depends if you're eligible or if you fill out all of the required information that are needed in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can join the Tolt affiliate. Thank you.